Hey, it's Farmer Floyd here at the Floyd Family Farm, and today we're going to be talking about electric fence chargers. This is the one that I use, and it's a Zebra 25 mile, puts out 1 joule. Now this one is AC powered. Now you can get one that's DC powered, or you can get a solar one. But if you do get one that's DC powered, you're going to be running off a battery, and you have to keep the battery charged. You get a solar one, you know, it's going to be solar, it's going to be great, but they're a lot more expensive, and I have seen issues with those before. This one only costs about 3 cents a day to run, and it's a small price to pay to keep your chickens safe, and inside of that net, it's about keeping predators out, and so far, it's done pretty good. We had a couple of hawks get a hold of a chicken one time, and but never did take the chicken off. I wound up having to cool it because it was just so badly damaged. But anyway, I'm going to show you how, when I first got my electric poultry fence, which is a Rent-A-Coop electric poultry net, I'm going to show you how I had it and then how I improved on it, because I had to hurry up and get it set up quickly when I first got the poultry net, because the chickens needed to be inside of it. They were in a little small cage, and they were in bad shape. Not physically or anything, just I didn't like where they were living. So everything was run down pretty good, which, you know, chickens it don't take them that long to really run down the ground. So anyway, I'm going to show you how we had that set up and what we did to make it better, and just with stuff that I had laying around the house, some 2x4s, and I had some like paneling for the walls that I used, but that'll probably have to be replaced. But I just did it quick, and I wanted it light. And we'll go ahead and show you how we done that. This is my electric fence charger. I'll show you how I got it set up here. I just got a little, I guess you'd call it a Tupperware deal here with locks on it. And this is the one that I have, and this is to keep the water out of it. And this is how I have it set up. I have it cut down at the bottom like a stake to go into the ground. And every time I move it, I wind up busting the board more and more. Yes, it stand up through some good storms and everything, but today we're going to come up with a better way to do this. We just have to figure it out. chickens. Now we're going to get the electric charger to hook up to the fence to get this thing hot, secure the net a little more, and then we're going to go in for the night and see how they do in the morning. I am going to have a trail cam on this thing, so maybe more than one to make sure people don't, it's real close to the road. I don't like that, but you know, we'll see how. Okay, here it is. You can hear it's running. Got my little ground pole right there. And test it. I've got 10,000 volts going through it. So you need at least 4, so we're good. So I'm gonna snug it up a little bit, and then we're gonna be done here. Get this egg. Everything's good. Now the next step is putting my trail cans up, which will not be showing on here. But you could use anything besides this paneling. That's just stuff I had left. It was free, so I used it. I'm sure I'll have to replace it with some OSB or something like that later on. But just trying to keep it light right now because I messed my back up. But anyhow, there it is. It's there, and it's going to be a lot easier to move for me. And it's working fine, so. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to thank every one of my subscribers. I'd like to thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and hit the bell for notifications. And this is Farmer Floyd saying goodbye, good night, and God bless.